Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest gadgets and gizmos so you can make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Hisense 65U6KQTUK, a budget-friendly mini LED TV that's been turning heads. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk design.
The Hisense 65U6KQTUK may not be the flashiest TV on the block, but it's got a sleek, minimalist look that'll fit right into any living room.
The frame is slim, the feet are sturdy, and overall, it's a solid build for the price. Now, let's talk features.
The 65U6KQTUK packs in some impressive tech for its price point. With mini LED lighting, local dimming, and quantum dot colors, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. And with 3 HDMI inputs, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you've got plenty of connectivity options. But how does it actually perform? Well, when it comes to picture quality, the 65U6KQTUK has its highs and lows. Bright scenes look vibrant and engaging, but darker scenes can appear a bit washed out.
And while the color accuracy is decent, some tones can look a bit off. On the sound front, though, the 65U6KQTUK shines. With its 20W speakers, you're getting surprisingly rich and detailed audio, with enough volume to fill a room. And if you're into Dolby Atmos content, you'll appreciate the added sense of immersion. Gaming-wise, the 65U6KQTUK holds its own. While it may not support 120Hz gaming, it still offers features like VRR and ALLM to enhance your gaming experience. And with its low latency mode, you'll be ready to jump into action without missing a beat. So, what's the verdict? Well, the Hisense 65U6KQTUK may not be perfect, but it's a solid choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of mini LED TVs without breaking the bank. With its impressive features and decent performance, it's definitely worth considering. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy watching.